In previous videos, I've discussed the first three phases of emotional intelligence training, which are preparation, the training process, and transfer and maintenance. In this video, I will be discussing the fourth and final phase, which is evaluation. Conducting ongoing evaluation research leads to improved performance, not just for the learners, but for those facilitating emotional intelligence training programs as well. The sad reality is that, according to research, most training programs do not fulfill their promises, and I like to share why. But before we get into that, I do want to quickly introduce myself. I'm Tai Sawyer, the principal consultant at TM Sawyer Consulting, where we specialize in leadership development through emotional intelligence training. I help leaders outperform at their jobs using core emotional intelligence skills. Now, I'd like to discuss those insufficient training programs. They can only be improved and become truly effective through evaluation. It is now recognized that the evaluation processes hold training departments within organizations accountable. Evaluations usually in the past relied heavily on reactions to training and the employee opinion surveys, but not now. Luckily, we now have tools and resources needed to conduct rigorous evaluations of most training programs for emotional competence. A good evaluation assessment includes a control group. For example, it could be the customer service department or all vice presidents. A good evaluation assessment also includes pre and post assessments of learners or attendees of a training program. That includes ratings of performance on the job by supervisors, peers, and subordinates. The evaluation assessment also includes a calculation of costs and benefits of a program that have a high return on investment, meaning that if we invest X amount of dollars into this program, we hope to see the link between productivity or sales revenue 8 times ROI. And then a good evaluation assessment includes specific goals to be measured. For example, that could be sales revenue, that could be the actual scores of the learners, it can be the impact on turnover and productivity. So no, it is not easy to conduct evaluation research of a training program, but that does not mean that it should be skipped in the process. It is one of the most important phases of emotional intelligence training programs. It is of great importance because it relates to the effectiveness of the program, not just in the dollars spent, but in the time spent by those learners who participated. So I do want to thank you for tuning in to my short video on evaluating emotional intelligence programs. See you next time.